There's a quiet shift in the universe when a man finally decides not to chase, not to explain, not to perform, but to protect his peace. This decision doesn't come from bitterness. It doesn't rise from anger or revenge. It comes from something deeper, clarity. The kind of clarity that only arrives after you've poured out parts of yourself into spaces that never knew how to hold you. You see, peace isn't passive. It's powerful, it's intentional, and it's earned through lessons most men don't want to learn. Because we're taught that love means showing up constantly. That, if you're available enough, consistent enough, kind enough, you'll eventually be chosen. But no one tells you the cost of being too accessible. No one warns you what happens when your presence becomes expected instead of appreciated. Not out of pride, but because he finally understands. His energy is not a gift to be handed out freely. It's a privilege. Your energy is your most sacred currency. Every conversation, every text, every moment of attention you give away is a transaction. And if you're not mindful of the exchange, you'll end up emotionally bankrupt. When a man